Designed for maximum simplicity and accuracy, CHEMetrics brand water analysis kits employ stable reagents vacuum-sealed in self-filling ampules. Test procedures are fast, easy, and accurate. Fill the sample cup to the 25 milliliter mark with the sample to be tested. Insert the tapered tip of the ampule into one of the depressions in the bottom of the sample cup. Snap the tip of the ampule by pressing the body of the ampule against the side of the cup. The vacuum in the ampule quickly pulls in the correct volume of sample. Mix the contents of the ampule by inverting it several times, allowing the bubble to travel from end to end. Dry the ampule. The sample will react with the reagent to form a color. Reaction times will vary by method. Use the round comparator by placing the ampule into the center tube. Direct the top of the comparator up toward a source of light while viewing from the bottom. Rotate the comparator until the color standard below the ampule shows the closest match. Concentration values are printed along the bottom edge of the comparator label. Most test kits come with everything needed to perform 30 tests.